Chapter 13. Air and Water, the Life Givers. In this lesson, air, composition of air, water vapor, water, the water cycle. Take a bubble maker, dip its head in a soap water solution, blow on it gently and see bubbles form and rise up and away. Why does this happen? When you blow on the thin water surface, air enters water and blows it up like a balloon. So a bubble is in fact a water balloon with air filled inside it. Have you ever visited a rocky seashore, or a fast-moving mountain river on its course down to plains? What do you see where the water strikes rocks or big stones with force? A white foam or froth is formed in water. This foam is a mixture of air and water. The foam which forms on your hair and body when you bathe with soap and water is also a mixture of air and water. Let us know more about air and water, and how both are necessary for life on Earth. Air. Air is all around us. We all know that we cannot see air. We can only feel it. Activity. Take a glass of water and blow air into it with the help of a straw. What do you see? You will see tiny bubbles. These bubbles are made up of air. What do you feel when you blow on your hand with a straw? You feel air. All living things need air. Air has no color or taste. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of gases. The main gases are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Human beings and animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide to make food. Water vapor. We cannot see water vapor present in air. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor and goes into the air. Air also contains dust and small germs that we cannot see. Smoke from the factories, motor vehicles and from fire also mixes with air. It makes air unclean. All living things need clean air to breathe. Unclean air is harmful for us. It makes us sick. Unclean air is called polluted air. Most of the pollution caused in air is because of human activities, vehicles, factories, and burning fuel, etc. We should grow trees and plants as they make air clean and healthy by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Water. Just as all living things need air, they also need water. There are 3 forms of water. The most common form of water we see around us is its liquid form. We can see and feel water. Liquid water has no shape. Ice and water vapor are the other 2 forms of water. Water changes into solid form or ice on cooling and into water vapor, gaseous form, on heating. Ice is the solid form of water. It has a definite shape. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. It cannot be seen or felt. The 3 forms of water are interchangeable. The change of water from liquid into gas on heating is called evaporation. Ice. On cooling water. Water vapor. On boiling water. The water cycle. When it rains, some water flows into the ponds, lakes and rivers. Some of the rainwater seeps into the ground. When the sun shines, water from ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, etc. heats up and changes into water vapor. It then mixes with air and rises up. This water vapor, when it comes into contact with cold air, cools down to form tiny drops of water. These tiny drops of water join together to form clouds. When clouds become heavy and cannot hold more water, they bring rain and the land again gets water. This rainwater again flows into rivers, ponds, lakes and seas. This process of evaporation of water and rainfall that follow each other is called the water cycle.